How to unlock Telegram password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can unlock your Telegram password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Well, to basically unlock your Telegram password, by default what happens is over here, whenever you have two-factor authentication or any sort of settings like that enabled, it's going to ask you to verify the code. But the problem here is that it also asks you to go ahead and then actually verify the password, and maybe you forgot your password. Then in that case, whenever you're on the password page, if you want to log in, you have to choose the option known as forgot password. And when you select the option called forgot password, Telegram will send a verification code to your email on which your Telegram account was verified with, and then you'll most likely get the verification code. You just need to verify it and it will take you to the new page where you can enter a new password without having to remember your old password. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically unlock your Telegram password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.